Hello guys, today I want to show you a necessary tool in your mobile workshop. We'll talk about the Kianli Ipower Pro Max. I'm Adriana and with the help of Leonardo we are going to solder the connectors of this tool so that it lasts longer. Inside the box we have this paper with the instruction for use. Each cable has its color and you have to solder it in the correct position. To solder it well, we apply a little flux. After that, we use a soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees and we count until 2. After 2 seconds, we solder the pads using solder wire. Now we are going to solder the cables. Each letter corresponds to the name of the color in English. You have to be careful when you solder these cables because just looking them, they can melt. To hold the cable, we can also use a precision tweezers. After soldering the 6 cables, we clean the area using contact cleaner. To make it more resistant, we use a red mask based on heat. With the help of a hot air gun at 100 Celsius degrees, we heat the mask during 2-3 minutes. After that, we leave the mask to chill. We use a heat shrink tubing to improve the cable protection. If you know another higher resistant method to solder these cables, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you. We connect this tool to the laboratory power suppliers and then, with the help of the cables, we connect the motherboard's devices. Here I've got another cable. Let's apply it a little heat. Guys, that's all. He's Leonardo. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.